So today what we're going to do is just look at the Delaware Tech website to familiarize you with all of the things that you would need to interact with as a tutor. So the first thing that you need to do when you are getting to the Del Tech website is type in mydtcc.edu. It will bring you to this login screen. You need to put in your login, which will be given to you by HR, and then your password. This brings you to the main MyDTCC page. Here you can see at the top, you have a welcome button, resources, courses, email, calendars, student information system, and Delaware Tech alerts. Down here, where it says Del Tech announcements, this is what we call the portal. And here you will find announcements from the Office of the President, college-wide announcements, and then announcements specific to the campuses. Make sure that you review this information on a regular basis because important announcements are put on the portal. Another place that you want to check regularly is the activities and events calendar. Here you can see that there are, right now we are having COVID testing, but also fitness classes. We have Fall Express registration coming up, and you can go forward to see what other events are happening here in the future. You can also access the calendar by going up here and clicking on calendar. And you have choices of either activities and events, academic calendar, or professional development calendar. To access your email, you're just going to click right here. And then what we're going to look at right now are some of the college resources. So clicking here, we are taken to the resources page, and you'll see that we have lots of resources. If you are looking for something to do with HR or specific to being employed at Delaware Tech, you're going to want to look here down at the employee tools. Here, for example, employee forms, something that's important when you're looking for your timesheet. Over here, you're going to see that the library has its own section. So if you need to help a student access library resources, you're going to go here. We have, again, calendar, student policy, the college website, and then in the middle, we have some links to academic support and technology. So right now, we're going to look at the virtual support center. That is how most students access tutoring. If you click on the virtual support center, you see you're taken to this page that has support for students for all kinds of resources from advising, libraries, technology, financial aid, billing, and there right here is the virtual tutoring center. So this is typically where students come to access help virtually. You can see there's many more resources, and then there are listing for on-campus resources. As we go into the fall of 2021, we are going to be adding more and more on-campus resources. Okay, if we go back to resources, one other thing I wanted to show you is how you can access your cloud accounts. So for example, your Google Drive will be right here, and then Office 365 will be right here. Both of these are free to you because you have a Del Tech account. If you click on Office 365, for example, you're going to come up and have the ability to use the online version of Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, OneNote, SharePoint, Teams, many other things. If you do Google Drive, similar, you're going to have access to Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slides, and Google Forms. So that is just a little tour of MyDTCC and the places that you might go looking for resources.